staying in room this number. And they have these really cute little lamps outside the doors, which I like. Okay, so when you walk in, here's your door, and immediately to the right of the door, you've got a very nice full-length mirror, and then there's a closet on the right when you turn forward. Oh gosh, has a nice safe, and a luggage rack, and an ironing board, and some extra pillows and your iron up top and hangers. And then one of the doors for that is hard to close. Then you come here, and here's your bathroom. This mirror, it has a light that you turn on this way. And then this mirror's light, you touch this, I think, yep, to make it brighter, and eventually, in theory, to turn it off, right? Oh gosh. Yeah, okay. And then you tap it. Okay. And you've got nice extra towels and washcloths, and there's a very nice, like, sliding barn door type setup. And you've got more towels. You're not gonna run low in toilet paper. And then your shower with shampoo and conditioner and hand and body wash. And then also barred soap over there. That, for anyone who wants that. And also let me see. Oh, it doesn't push. A clothing line that you can stretch across to hang swimsuits or anything. And once you come out of the bathroom, you come into the bedroom. So this room obviously has the option to be a adjoining room. However, that is not the case for me. You have a nice thermostat here. And then here are the beds. These are 2 queen beds. I'm not going to show you the view because it's dark and really it's just trees. But there is double curtains, so there's this kind of thinner mesh curtain. And then when you pull this back, you have the option for a heavier curtain for when you are sleeping for more privacy. And then a nice chair and a tall lamp over there. There's a nice desk here, and then also a Keurig coffee maker with these options. And then in here is just some additional storage drawers, and the same on this side. And then this cabinet is the mini fridge. There's also a nice middle nightstand that has this clock on it, and then also here is the telephone that can be used while you are here.